The oath-taking ceremony for the 29 newly elected MDCs to the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council (JHADC) took place today, with Abhinav Kumar Singh, IAS, Deputy Commissioner of West Jaintia Hills, administering the oath. 17 of the 29 MDCs, including 3 women, are first-time MDCs. The women elected were Layawan Lamjinghun Kriem and Devi Paya T. Tongpar from the Voice of the People's Party, and Violet Lingdo, who joined NPP after initially winning as an independent. JHADC Chief Thombor Shivat and 4 former CMs also took the oath. The JHADC now consists of 14 NPP MDCs, 8 VPP MDCs, 3 UDP, 3 Congress and 1 independent.
Shri Mulai Pariat having been elected as